You see, this app will actually pay you to do nothing. And yep, it's available for both iOS and Android. So basically, it works like this. You install it, you get ready for sleep or for whatever you like to do. I would personally just lay in my bed, check my phone from time to time, and collect my earnings. Now, even though this app is great, if you stay with me until the end of the video, you will even get a bonus app that's also going to pay you to do nothing. So that way, you will double your results. Let me know in the comments what you would do while these apps are working for you in the background. Since you don't have to do anything, would you just sleep all day long? Or would you go for a walk more often? Or would you hang out with your friends? Or maybe work on some other bigger goals? Let me know in the comments down below. Always keep in mind though that these apps can only help you earn some extra money and should not be considered as a replacement for a full-time gig. Alright, so before I show you my favorite app that's going to pay you to do absolutely nothing, I want to show you the first app and how it's actually going to pay you. So as you can see right here, you can get cash via PayPal or bank transfer. So you'll be getting real money and not points or coins, but real cash, which you can then spend on whatever you prefer. You can either use PayPal or bank transfer, and I just know that a lot of you guys love PayPal. But if PayPal is not available in your country, or you don't want to use PayPal, then don't worry, they do have some different payment options as well. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Before we go to the website, you first need to set up and have your very own PayPal account. So head on over to paypal.com and set up an entirely free account by clicking this button over here. Just provide the needed details and log in to your very own PayPal account. If you don't want that option or don't want to do that, you can set up your own bank account online by searching in the Google online bank account in my country and sign up for an entirely free account on that online banking website. You should definitely stay all the way until the end of the video and pay close attention to every second so you won't get confused. So if you really want to set this up properly and if you really want to make it work, then you must follow and watch every second of this tutorial. Now back to the first app. I also want to share this with you because I really love the fact that you don't need hundreds or thousands of dollars to cash out from this app unlike the other apps. With this one, you will literally just need $2 to $5 depending on where you're making money from and what type of rewards you choose. But it's $2 to $5. Once you have that amount in your account, you can immediately cash out and spend it on whatever you want to. Of course, you can leave it over there and wait until you have like $50 or $100 or $200 or $500 and then cash out. Now the way these apps work is basically you will install it for absolutely free and it's going to show you some ads on the screen which you can just swipe. So all you have to do is swipe on your phone, which is something that you already do every single day. And now you can get paid up to $5 per day just from one single device. If you have multiple devices, you can definitely make a lot more money. But even $150 every single month, basically for doing nothing, is also really great. However, it's not as good as the second app, which I'm about to show you. Because for the second app, you definitely don't even need to swipe, and you will still get paid, so stay tuned for that. Now, since you will be paid for just unlocking and swiping your phone, I just want to show you that it is something that you already do every single day. According to research, Gen Z smartphone users in the United States unlock their devices on average 79 times daily. So that's something that we already do every single day. You unlock your phone all the time. You check your messages, you check your emails, you check your notifications, and you do it on a regular basis. But now you will get paid when you do that. That's why I said you're basically being paid to do absolutely nothing. This app is available for both Google Play and App Store, so it's available for both Android and iOS, which is really good. Now the actual app name is MooCash. This is over at moocash.com. This is their official website, but in order to install the app and start making money, you will need to go over to Google Play Store or the App Store, depending on which device you have. Then just search for MooCash, find this logo, install it, sign up for free, and start making up to $5 per day. Now here's the second app which I wanted to share with you, which might be even better, as you can see, or earn. And you can earn using your phone for doing nothing. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. You're literally being paid to do absolutely nothing once you install this app. And you can do it again and again, and you can get paid over and over again passively. And yes, they do have PayPal as well, so you can also collect your earnings through PayPal. It's absolutely safe, and they guarantee that your data and personal settings will not be used in any way. I also did some research on the app, and it's 100% safe, and people that are using this app are 100% satisfied. You do not need to perform tasks. You do not need to watch ads or play games. Earnings will come in absolutely autonomous and passive mode. Whatever you are doing, you will still get paid. The more devices you have, the more money you will be able to make, because this app is not going to pay you hundreds or thousands of dollars. It's only going to be a couple of dollars, but it quickly is going to pile up if you have multiple devices, or if you just stay patient and wait to receive more and more payments. As you can see, they have the largest payments because they unite all the best reward programs in one place, so you can collect the most amount of money. This app right here is absolutely free. This is an example of how the app is going to look like once you install it, and it's going to show you how much money you have actually collected with it. You will earn money from your Android phone. They pay for every minute of the time when you do nothing. You're being paid every single minute to do absolutely nothing. Unfortunately, this app is available only for Android, so it's not for iOS devices. So if you're an iPhone user, then unfortunately, you can only use the previous app that we showed in this video. Just go over to Google Play Store and search for Cash Magnet. This is how the logo is going to look like. Once you install it, you sign up for absolutely free, either with your Google account or by entering your email address and creating a password. Once you do that, you can set it up to get paid on incomplete autopilot and collect some free passive income from your smartphone device. I really hope you did get some value out of this video, and I really hope you will get some value out of those apps that will pay you to do absolutely nothing. And that's it! Sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.